Krishna, Sadhu Pranam, Radhe Radhe. Today I'm going to tell you three differences between successful people and unsuccessful people. Successful people, first difference is that successful people, they always believe in pleasing great good God with their activities, and they believe in indulging in devotional services. So first example of successful person is Mother Teresa. Mother Teresa, she took humanity as a service to God. She took humanity as a worship to great good God because she believed that her Lord abides in all. So she is a successful person. So these successful people, they believe in devotional service as well as in humanitarian acts. And second example of a successful person is Gautam Buddha. Gautam Buddha raised his voice against the Vedas in order to safeguard, to prevent cruelty towards animals, to stop the killing of innocent animals during that era. Now, third example of this successful person is Prabhupada Ji. Prabhupada Ji, he is the founder of ISKCON, International Society of Krishna Consciousness, and he converted hippies into devotees, Krishna devotees, so that their human life does not go waste. And that is so beautiful. So this is an example of successful person. Now, unsuccessful people. Unsuccessful people, the first example of unsuccessful people is they don't believe in pleasing God with their actions. They have nothing to do with pleasing God with their actions. Rather, they will focus more on being people pleaser. And according to Bhagavad Gita, such people are in the mode of ignorance because they don't know what is the purpose of human life, and they just believe in eat, drink, make merry. And so they come under unsuccessful people. Second example of successful people and unsuccessful people. Successful people, they put God first in all their activities, and they place great good God as center of all their activities. An example of such successful people in life is ISKCON devotees, who place Lord Krishna as first in everything, and they do all their activities centered around Lord Krishna. So they come under successful people. Another example is those people who follow the principles of Guru Nanak Dev Ji and the 10 Sikh Gurus. They come under successful people who follow the principles that Naam Japna, Kirat Karna and Vand Chakna, and who will respect the ladies also, because Guru Nanak Dev Ji said in Gurbani, so kyu manda aakhiye jis janme rajan. So they come under the category of successful people, and they will respect everyone's belief system, because in Gurbani it is said, matbhed ho magar man bhed na ho. So they come under category of successful people. They believe in iksurta, that is unity in diversity. So they come under successful people. Now, second example of unsuccessful people. Unsuccessful people, they don't believe in the existence of God, and they may be from any religion, they may be from any culture, they may be from any race, they may be from any gender, and they're very arrogant and they're very full of pride and haughtiness owing to their material accomplishments. It could be educational accomplishments, it could be power, it could be some position, and they believe in looking down upon others and their worth. So they come under the category of unsuccessful people. And even ladies who don't respect their own gender and indulge with other men to pull down another lady, to bring down another lady, and make another lady feel low, and insult the dignity of another lady. They come under unsuccessful people. They don't have respect for their own gender, and उनकी हालत बिल्कुल उस बकरी की तरह होती है जिस एक बकरी घास चढ़ रही है और एक कसाई दूसरी बकरी को हलाल करने के लिए आ रहा है, और वो बकरी घास चढ़ रही है ये सोच के कि उसकी बारी नहीं आएगी. So they come under unsuccessful people. And third example, successful people believe in uplifting others, and unsuccessful people believe in pulling down others. So these are the three differences between successful people and unsuccessful people. So I will tell you more differences in the next video. Hare Krishna, Sadar Pranam, Radhe Radhe.